Okay, real quick. What is AI? What's the deal with ChatGPT? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It learns patterns from data, so it can make predictions or create stuff, like text images, even music. You already use AI every day. Your phone's face unlock, AI. Spam filters, maps rerouting around traffic, movie recommendations, yup, AI. There are two big buckets people talk about. First, narrow AI. Super good at one thing, recognizing cats, translating languages, playing chess. Then, there's the dream. General AI, something that can learn and reason across anything like a human. We're not there. So where does ChatGPT fit? ChatGPT is a large language model, trained on tons of text to predict the next word in a sentence. That sounds simple, but stacked across billions of examples, it learns patterns in language, reasoning shortcuts, how ideas connect. When I type a question, it's not thinking like a person. It's running math to guess the most likely, useful response based on the context I give it. Here's why that matters. Language is the interface to almost everything we do. Planning, learning, coding, writing, brainstorming. If an AI can handle language well, it becomes a kind of universal tool. Tutor, editor, research assistant, rubber duck coder, even a creative partner. How do you use it well? 3 quick tips. 1. Be specific. Instead of explain photosynthesis, try explain photosynthesis to a 12-year-old with a pizza analogy. 2. Give context. Share your goal. Share your audience. Share your tone. Share your constraints. 3. Iterate. Ask for outlines first, then detail. Ask for examples. Tell it what you liked and didn't. What can it do? Summarize a messy document into key takeaways. Draft emails, posts, or scripts, then you refine. Brainstorm product names. Brainstorm video hooks. Brainstorm study plans. Explain code. Write snippets. Debug with step-by-step reasoning. Translate ideas across tones. Professional, friendly, concise. What can it do? It doesn't know the world like a person. Its answers come from patterns, not personal experience. It can be confidently wrong, so fact-check anything important. It doesn't browse the web unless connected to tools designed for that. It doesn't replace experts, but it can level you up before you talk to one. Is it safe? Treat it like a powerful calculator for words. Don't share private info. Verify medical claims. Verify legal claims. Verify financial claims. Use it to draft, not to blindly decide. Big picture. AI is like a new kind of electricity for ideas. It won't do your push-ups, but it can clear mental clutter so you focus on judgment and creativity. The real skill isn't, can I use AI? It's, ask great questions, steer the output, apply it wisely. If you want to start today, try this. Ask it to explain a topic you've been avoiding in plain English. Have it turn your notes into a clean outline. Challenge it to argue both sides of a decision you're making. That's AI and ChatGPT in a nutshell. Pattern-finding math that turns language into a Swiss Army knife for work, school, and life. When you drive it with clear prompts and common sense. Hit me with your best prompt in the comments, and I'll try it in the next video.